Navigation Quick Tips Overview. In vehicles with the Lexus navigation system, you can input destinations and select various features using the remote touchpad or with voice commands. When the vehicle is started or when it's on and you press the map button, the map screen will appear. If your home is saved and if you have favorites listed, highlighted quick access buttons will appear on the right side of the screen. Arrival times from your current location will be displayed on each button. To view the map in full screen mode, select the button on the lower right of the screen. In the top left of the screen, the letter tells you which direction your vehicle is headed. Selecting the compass icon allows you to change the map's orientation between 3 settings. The first is a 2-dimensional north-up view that sets the display so north is oriented to the top of the screen. The second is a 2-dimensional heading-up view that sets the display so your current position is moving toward the top of the screen. And the third is a 3D view. In this view, it'll be heading up and may show buildings in 3D. Below the compass is the destination icon. Selecting it brings up a menu with varied ways to input and route you to a destination. The home icon will route you home if saved. Destination Assist calls a live agent who can search for and set a destination for you. Favorites list your saved favorite destinations. Address allows you to input a destination by address. Recent lists previous destinations. Point of Interest allows you to input a point of interest by name, category, or phone number. And Emergency gives you quick access to police, fire, and hospitals. Press the back arrow to return to the map view. This is the GPS indicator that will display when the system is receiving a GPS signal. Choosing the Map Options icon allows you to turn point of interest icons on and off, update the map data, display the speed limit on the current road, show traffic information. When traffic info is turned on, color-coded lines will appear on the map. Red means traffic is slow. Yellow, the traffic is moving at a moderate speed. And green means it's moving at or near the posted speed. Icons will appear when accidents or other obstacles are recognized. And Map Options also displays Route Trace. Choosing the Route Options icon allows you to see the route overview and make adjustments to route guidance. When a destination is set, the route information bar will display the current street name or the distance with the estimated travel time to the destination. Selecting the Route Information button changes it between arrival time and time to destination. The vehicle's route guidance voice can be muted by selecting it. When it's highlighted, Mute is on. To delete a destination from route guidance, choose the Delete Destination icon on the Route Information bar. Select Yes to confirm. The map screen can be zoomed in and out by selecting the plus or minus icons on the screen. Or by pinching your fingers in or pinching out on the touchpad. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.